This is Applied Math Exit Exam Review. There will be 40 questions in this. We will go to the first question. Question number 1. What is the solution of the following simultaneous equations? Simultaneous means you will be getting two equations and you have x and y here. So you should find x and y using substitution method. Substitution. Okay. Now, how to find this? Okay, these are the equations. 5x plus 2y equal to 6 and 4x equal to 8. You take the second equation, 4x equal to 8. Okay, now 4 will come down and you have 8 divided by 4. 8 and 4 will cancel, you have 2. So you have x equal to 2. Okay, you got the value of x. Now take the first equation, 5x plus 2y equal to 6. You change the value of x. What is the value of x? 2. So tabdeel x. So 5 into 2 equal plus 2y equal to 6. Okay. 5 into 2, 10. Plus 2y equal to 6. Now 10 will go to the other side. When it goes to the other side, plus 10 will change to minus 10. Okay. So 6 minus 10 equal to minus 4. Because big number minus. Okay. Now we have 2y equal to minus 4. Now I want y. So 2 will come down. So minus 4 by 2. 2 and 4 will cancel. Answer is minus 2. So what is y? Y is minus 2. So you have x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. Now question number 2. How many solutions does the following system of equations have? Okay. How many solutions? How many answers? Okay, x plus 2y equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y equal to 6. The answer is, look here, x plus 2y equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y equal to 6. These are the two equations. Okay, now in this, what is a? Here a is 1, b is 2 and c is 3. Now you will find the slope of this equation. Okay, so slope is minus a divided by b. That is minus 1. A is what? 1 by b. What is b? 2. Okay, so here the slope is minus 1 by 2. And what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is c by b. What is c? C is 3 and b is 2. So you have 3 by 2. Okay, so this is about first equation. Now we will go to the second equation. What is the second equation? 2x plus 4y equal to 6. So in this, what is a, b, c? A is 2, b is 4 and c is 6. Now here also you will find slope. Slope, what is slope? Minus a by b. That means minus 2 by 4 equal to minus half. What is y-intercept? Same rule, c by b. That is 3 by 2. Okay. Now look at the first equation and second equation. What is the slope here? Minus 1 by 2. What is the slope here? Minus 1 by 2. What is the y-intercept in the first equation? 3 by 2. What is the y-intercept in the second equation? 3 by 2. Now look here. Both equations have same slope and y-intercept. So if two equations have same slope, same y-intercept, then they have infinite solutions, many solutions. Okay, so the answer is infinite solution. Okay, now we will go to question number 3. Which linear inequality is represented by the graph below? Okay, look here, see this dotted line. Which number it is passing through? It is passing through the number 5. See, here we have 4, here we have 6. So it is passing through the number 5. So the dotted line passes through the point x equal to 5 and the shaded area is on the right side of the line. See, look here, where is the color? Shading is done on the right side, yamin. Okay, so here x equal to 5 and color is on the right side. So what is the answer? The inequality is x more than 5. Okay, this is dotted line, so we write x more than. If it is continuous line, you will write x more than or equal to. Okay, here bus only akbar mein. If line you have no dotted line, full line, then you have x Akbar Minisavi 5. But now only dotted line, so x more than 5. Now question number 4. What is the solution of the system of equations? You have two equations using elimination method, using elimination. So what is elimination? Elimination yani delete. Okay, you have the two equations here. Look here how to solve. 3x plus y equal to 11, 2x minus y equal to 4. You are adding the equations, gamma. So you have plus y here, minus y here, plus y minus y will cancel and you have answer 0. 3 plus 2, 5. So you have 5x equal to 11 plus 4, 15. So 5x equal to 15. I want x. So 5 will come down. So 15 by 5 you get 3. So you have x equal to 3. Now how will you find y? You take this equation, first equation again, 3x plus y equal to 11 again. Okay, now tabdil x. What is x? X is 3. So you change x to 3. So 3 into 3 plus y equal to 11. So what is y? I want y. So this 9 should go to the other side. Plus 9 will come to the other side. It will become minus 9. So 11 minus 9 equal to 2. So y is 2. So now you have x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Now this is question number 5. Which ordered pair is in the solution set of the following system of linear inequalities? Okay, what you have to do is, see, you have two inequalities. Y greater than or equal to more than or equal to x plus 2 and y less than 5x. What you have to do is put this number in this and this. Okay, 2 comma 1. What is x? 2. What is y? 1. So you change x as 2 and y as 1 in both these inequalities. Which one is coming correct? Look here. See, we have two inequalities, y more than or equal to x plus 2 and y less than y less than 5x. Okay, choose the first answer. What is the first answer? We want to know whether answer is this, wala this, wala this, wala this. So I choose this first, 2 comma 1. Okay, choose 2 comma 1. That means x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. This is x, then y. This is the first inequality. So I change y as 1. See, look here, y is 1 and x is 2. So 1 more than or equal to 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 yani 4. 1 more than or equal to 4. So this is not correct. Now you choose 3 comma 0. So x is 3, y equal to 0. Same inequality. So x is 3, y is 0. So 0 more than or equal to 5. That is also wrong. So this is also not correct. Now you take the third answer, 1 comma 3. Okay, x is 1 and y is minus 3. So y is minus 3, x is 1. So minus 3 more than or equal to 3 is wrong. Y minus 3 is Akbar Minisavi 3 is wrong. So this is also not correct. Now I take 2 comma 5. So x is 2 and y equal to 5. So put the value of y 5. X as 2. So 5 more than or equal to 4. This is correct because we know that 5 is bigger than 4. So what is the answer? Answer is 2 comma 5. Now which of the following is a function? So you have 4 different sets given here, Q, S, T, R. Now we know that here the question is which of the following is a function. See here, R is not a function because this is R. R is not a function. Y is not a function because you see here, minus 1 here, minus 1 here. All the first numbers should be different. Look here. Q is, what is Q here? The first one, 0, 3, 2, 8, 1, 4, 3, 6. You see the first numbers, 0, 2, 1 and 3. All are different. If all are different, then it is a function. See, in this S, we can see that 1, 2, 1, 8. See, 1, 2 times. 1 came 2 times. So this is not a function. Here, 5, 2, 1, 5. Again, 5 came 2 times. So it's not a function. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 came 2 times. It's not a function. But here in Q, 0, 2, 1, 3 all are different. You don't see the second number, see only the first number. If all the first numbers are different, then it is a function. So Q is the answer. Because the first element of all ordered pairs are different. So 0, 2, 1, 3. So this is the correct answer. Does the given relation, question number 7, does the given relation define a function? You can see that, see, you have images for A, B and C. A goes to 2, B goes to 4 and C goes to 2. So all the elements here are having images and nobody is having two images. So this is a function. This picture shows a function. If you find two lines here, for A, suppose you have two lines, no, it is not a function. Suppose B having two lines or C having two lines, or A does not have any line, no line, then also not a function. But here all the numbers A, B, C have only one line, so this is a function. See here, this is a function. Which is the answer? The correct answer is yes, because every element of X, see, this is the answer. Every element of capital X, this is capital X, has got one and only one image in Y. So this is a function. Question number 8. Which of the following equations define a function? See, you can see that here in this question what you have to see is check the power of Y. Okay, if the power of Y is a Furthy number, then it is a function. See, look here, what is O's Y here? What is O's Y here? 1. Okay, now what is O's Y here? 2. What is O's Y here? 3. O's Y is 2. Now see, I am choosing this one, x power 3 plus y power 3 equal to 5. What is y power 3? I will take y power 3, then x power 3 has to goes to the other side, 5 minus x power 3. Now what is y then? Cube root of 5 minus x power 3. For every value of x, every real value of x will give only one real value for y. So this is defining a function. So you don't see anything. What you have to see is check the power O's of y. O's of y is Furthy, that means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all these, then it is a function. Okay, so here y power 3, so this is a function. You can see that this is y power 2 and this is y power 2, and this is modulus. It will not give you a function because it will have only two values for every value of x. So here it is y power 2, here it is y power 2. So these are not functions. This is not a function. This is not a function because y is power 2 is Zaugi. This is not a function. Here y power is Zaugi, but this is y power is Furthy. So odd number. Y power is odd number, so it is a function. What is the domain of the function f of x equal to square root x plus 5? So how will you find the domain here? Here you have to see what is there inside the square root. Fx equal to x plus 5. If you have square root, then what you should do is this expression x plus 5 should be more than or equal to 0. You know that inside together you cannot have negative number. Okay, only positive number inside square root. So x plus 5 is more than or equal to 0. So now 5 will go to the other side. If 5 go to the other side, then it will be minus 5. Okay, so x more than or equal to minus 5. This is the domain. Question number 10. Find the range of the function f of x equal to 3x plus 5 is if the domain is minus 2, 0, 3. Okay, so this is the domain. Look here, and you have the function fx equal to 3x plus 5. Domain is minus 2, 0 and 3. So first take the value minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. So you should find f of minus 2. So change x to minus 2. What will come? 3 into minus 2 plus 5. See, you change, delete x and put minus 2. So 3 into minus 2, minus 6, plus 5, answer minus 1. Now you change x to the second number 0. So f of 0 is 3 into 0 plus 5. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now you take the number 3, x equal to 3. So f of 3 is 3 into 3 plus 5. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So you have three numbers, minus 1, 5 and 14. So the range is minus 1, 5, 14. Now question number 11. You have f of x equal to 5 minus 3x. What is the value of f of x minus f of a by x minus a? Okay, so this is f of x. Now what is f of a? That means change x to a. So 5 minus 3 into a. 5 minus 3a. Now you should find this. What is f of x? 5 minus 3x. What is f of a? 5 minus 3a. I put in bracket. Okay. Divided by x minus a. This is what you have to find. This is what you have to find out now. Okay. So one by one you are writing. F of x, you should write f 5 minus 3x. F of a, you should write 5 minus 3a. Now open the bracket. Here you can simply open bracket 5 minus 3x. No change. But then minus into 5, minus 5. Minus into minus plus. Because you know salib darb salib mogem. Then you have 3a. Minus 5 plus 5 will cancel. So you have minus 3x plus 3a. Okay. Now I am taking minus 3 amal mushtarak. Minus 3 outside, common out. So what will come? When you take minus, all the signs will change. Ishara will badali. So here it was minus x. So it will become plus x. Here it is plus 3a. Now here it will become minus 3a. See, you look here. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Minus 3 into minus a plus 3a. Now what will happen? X minus a will cancel. Answer is only minus 3. So answer will be minus 3. Now you can see that always the answer for such an expression will be the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Minus 3. So what is the answer? Minus 3. Okay, now question number 12. What is the slope of the equation 2x minus 4y equal to 6? Slope means almil. Okay, what is the slope? You write the equation. You write a, b, c like before. What is a? 2. What is b? Minus 4. Okay, I don't want c here. C is 6. Okay. Now, what is the slope? What is the rule for slope? Minus a by b. Okay. So, minus, what is a? 2. Divided by what is b? Minus 4. Minus minus will cancel. 2, 4 will cancel. Answer is 1 by 2. So, slope is 1 by 2. This is question number 13. Write the interval in which the quadratic function f of x equal to x plus 3 whole square minus 4 is increasing. Now how to do this? So this is the actual equation, actual form of this equation. F of x equal to x minus h whole square plus k. Now if you compare, what is the value of h? H is minus 3. See, here it is minus h, here it is plus 3. So what is the actual value of h? It is minus 3. Now to find which interval it is increasing, this is the rule. Closed interval h, comma, infinity, open interval. Okay, so h infinity is the interval. So what is h? Minus 3 infinity. So this is the answer. Now question number 14. Solve for x. You have to find the value of x. 121 equal to 11 power x minus 3. Now in this is the equation. You know what is 121? 121 means 11 power 2. So I write 11 power 2 equal to 11 power x minus 3. Okay. Now you can see that 11 both are same. So you can delete that and you can write 2 equal to x minus 3. Now minus 3 will come to the other side. It will become plus 3. So x equal to 2 plus 3, 5. So solution is x equal to 5. Now question number 15. Solve the equation for value of x. You have 2x minus 6 power 3 equal to 8. Okay, how will you solve? See here. What is 8? 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 2 power 3. So you have now power 3 here and power 3 here. Power 3 will cancel. So you have 2x minus 6 equal to 2. I want x. So minus 6 will come to the other side. Minus 6 will change to plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now I want x means 2 should come down. Okay, so 8 by 2 equal to 4. So x is 4. Now simplified form of this expression. This is little big. Okay, so how will you do it? Now we have a rule. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to just 4ab. Okay, now you see this. See our question and the rule. What is a? E power 3x. What is b? 1. So here you have a plus b and here you have a minus b. What is the answer? 4ab. Okay, so in the question a is e power 3x, b is 1. What is the answer? 4ab. 4 into a. A, what is a? E power 3x into b. What is b? 1. So 4 e power 3x is the answer. So if you know this rule, okay, it is very easy. So if you have anything like a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, the answer is 4ab. Now solve the equation log 64 to the base x equal to 3 by 2. Solve means you have to find value of x. Okay, so how to do this? This is the question. We have a rule here. Log y to the base b equal to x means y equal to b power x. In this you have log, but in this you don't have log. Okay, so this number is y and you will write y equal to b power x. Now look here. You write the question. So log 64 base x equal to 3 by 2. What is y? 64. What is b? X. What is x? 3 by 2. Okay. So now what is the answer? Y equal to, what is y? 64 equal to b power x. That means x power 3 by 2. Okay. So you have 64 equal to x power 3 by 2. Now I want to make the power of x as 1. So I want to remove this power. So what you have to do? This power should come here. When the power comes here, it will become x upside down. Look here. Here it is 3 by 2. When it comes here, it will become 2 by 3. So here now x is clean. X power is 1. So now 64 power 2 by 3. Okay. How will you use calculator to find this? See here, we will take the calculator. Okay, this is the calculator. 64 power 2 by 3. So I have 64 power bracket 2 by 3. Close bracket. Answer is 16. So x equal to 16. Use calculator to evaluate to 3 decimal places. Log 46.29 by 7.93. 7.83. Look here. So here we will take the calculator. So log, here this log you have to use bracket 46.29 divided by 7.83 close bracket, 0.7717. So you can correct this 1 to 2 because it is, this number is more than 5. So I can write 0.772. Now solve the logarithmic equation LNP. What is this ln? You can see here on this calculator you can see log and ln. It is not in, it is ln. Okay, it is called natural log. Now natural log ln of p equal to minus 0.12. What is the value of p? Look here. Now how will you find p? Again use the same calculator. See what you have to press. What you have to press? If you want to find p, you have to press shift ln minus 0.12. So shift ln. So this will come, e power will come. Okay, now what you have to do? Minus 0.12. What is the answer? 0.88. I can write this 6 as 7 because this number is more than 5. So answer is 0.887. Now question number 20. The list price of a TV is, when we go to the mall or supermarket, you can find the price of the TV. Okay, there will be written OMR 475 and they are giving a trade discount of 7%. What is the net price after discount? I want to know the price, how much I should pay in the shop. Okay, look here, list price is 475. What is the discount? 7%. So if you want to find the net price, this is the rule. 475 into 100 minus 7 by 100. Okay, this is the rule. 100 minus this number, 7 divided by 7. What is 100 minus 7? 93. 93 by 100. So how will you calculate? 475 into 100 minus 7 is 93. 93 divided by 100. If you press SD, you will get the answer, 441.750. Okay, this is question number 21. Mr. Abdullah invests OMR 8,500 at 6% simple interest. Okay, simple interest per year. Then what is the value of his investment after 4 years? So you have to find the letters in the formula. What is the rule? Simple interest rule is I equal to PRT. What is P? The amount that he deposited, okay, in the bank, 8,500. So that is P. What is the interest? 6%. So R equal to 6%. 6% is 6 by 100. What is the T? Time. What is the investment after 4 years? So T equal to 4 years. So this is the rule, I equal to PRT. Put the value of P, 8,500 into 6 divided by 100. Because 6% means 6 by 100 into 4. So just multiply, you will get 2040. So this is the only interest, only fayda. I want the final amount deposited plus the extra fayda. Okay, so P is 8,500 plus 2040. This is 10,540. Question number 22. On June 10, a shop received a printer costing OMR 3,350. The invoice had the terms, so you have to see in the question paper, something will be written like this, 5 by 10, n by 10 on receipt of goods. When you get the product, okay, you will have written on that, on the invoice, 5 by 10, some number divided by some number divided by some number. Okay, what is this? If the shop owner paid the bill on June 18th, then how much amount he paid? Look here. On June 10th he received, okay, he received the printer, he got the printer in his shop. Now on June 18th only he paid, okay, June 18th he paid the amount, that means he gave the money for the printer. Look here, when he received? June 10th. When the bill was paid, when he paid the money? June 18th. That means bill is paid within 8 days, so it took 8 days. Now look here in these terms. If the bill is paid within 10 days, okay, this is what this 10. If you pay the amount within 10 days, you will get 5% discount. If you pay after 10 days, then no discount. The full amount you have to pay. So this is what this 10 means. What is 10? If you are giving the money, if you are giving the cash in 10 days, then you will get 5% discount. So the bill is paid within 8 days, that means less than 10. So you will get 5% discount. Now how will you find the net amount? Same rule. You have 350 into 100 minus 5, 5% discount. 100 minus 5 is 95. 95 divided by 100. So answer is 332.5. So this much amount only he has to pay. Now question number 23. A loan means qard. Loan was, you take loan from the bank. Okay, if you don't have money, you are going to the bank and take money, borrow money from the bank. That is called qard, loan. Now, a person made loan on April 2 and was repaid. He gave the money back on July 11th. Find the exact time. Okay. Now, exact time means how many days exactly between April 2 and July 11. Look here. How many days between April 2 and July 11? April, how many days? We have 30 days. And you have started the loan on 2. So you have 30 minus 2, 28 days. May is 31 days, June is 30 days, and July 11th you are giving back the amount. So July you will take 11 days. So total how many days? Total is 100 days. So exact time is 100 days. So you have to remember this. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many days? Okay. 31. February means 28 or 29. March 31. Like that you should remember this. Clear? If the annual interest rate is 16% and the interest is compounded quarterly, okay, then the period interest rate is, okay, this is very important question. Annual interest rate is 16%. Interest is compounded, it is written here, compounded quarterly. Okay, then what you have to do is, period interest rate is just simple. Quarterly means you have to divide with 4. So 16 divided by 4, answer is 4%. Easy. So remember, annually means divide by 1. Semi-annually or half-yearly, nus sana, means divide by 2. Quarterly means ala arba. Monthly, shahri, means divide by 12. So remember this. Annually 1, semi-annually 2, quarterly 4, monthly 12. Now, this is another term to remember, effective rate of interest. Okay, effective rate of interest, we have a rule. What is the effective rate of interest? Equivalent to 12% compounded quarterly. Okay, look here. This is the effective rate rule. 1 plus r by m power m into n minus 1. Okay, what is r here? 12%. In the question it is given 12%. So 12 divided by 100. That means 0.12. Now, quarterly means m is 4. And n is always assumed to be 1. In this question, n is always 1. M, it depends. If it is yearly, 1. Half yearly, 2. Quarterly, 4. Now put in the rule. What is effective rate? 1 plus r by m power m into n. So 1 plus 0.12 by 4 power 4 into 1 minus 1. Okay, you will get this number. You see how it is done. Bracket. Okay, 1 plus 0.12 divided by 4 close bracket power. What is power? 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, now you should come down. Then minus 1. So 0.1255 is the answer. Now if you want to find the answer, you should multiply it with 100 to get it in percent. So effective rate of interest is this answer into 100. So what is the answer? 12.55. 26. How much money should be set aside at 8% interest half yearly? Half yearly means nusana. In order to get OMR 6000 in 5 years. Okay. So how much money I should keep now so that I should get 6000 real after 5 years. So look here how to find the answer. R is 8%. That means 8 by 100, 0.08. M is 2 because half yearly. Half yearly means M is always 2. Final amount, last amount after 5 years you should get 6000. So A is 6000 and N number of years is 5. I should find the value of P. How much I should deposit now? Okay. So the rule is A equal to P into 1 plus R by M power M into N. So put the values. What is A? 6000. P I should find. 1 plus what is R? 0.08 because R is 8 by 100, 0.08 divided by M is 2 half yearly. power m into n. M is 2, n is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, 1 plus 0.04 is 1.04 power 10. So this whole thing will come down. So 6000 by 1.04 power 10. So how will you find 6000 divided by 6000 divided by 1.04 power 10? Answer is 4053.385. Question number 27. Mr. Abdullah purchases an annuity due paying 8% interest annually with the payment amount OMR 85. Okay, so in this question you have to remember the rule of annuity due. Okay, there is a rule for that. Okay, now we will take these numbers from there. So here you have to find the future value of the annuity in 7 years. You have to find what future value. There is a rule for future value. What is the future value rule? This is a big rule. FV, future value, equal to PM into 1 plus R by M power M into N minus 1 into 1 plus R by M by R by M. Okay, this is a long rule. So what is R? R is 8%. What is this 85? 85 is PM and N is 7. So look here. R is 8%. 8% means 8 by 100 equal to 0.08. N is 7 years. M is 1 because it is written annually. Okay. Okay. Interest is calculated annually. So M is 1. Now PM is 85. So you have R, N, M, PM. Just put the value into the formula. But when you put the formula and using calculator, you should be very careful. Look here. 85 into 1 plus 0.08 power 1 into 7, M into N. Now 0.08 divided by 1 is same, 0.08 only. 1 plus 0.08, what is that? 1.08. Power 1 into 7 is 7. I have minus 1. So this is in a bracket, finish. Now what is this? 1 plus R by M. Look here, 1 plus R is 0.08 by M is 1. So again this is 0.08 plus 1 is 1.08. Now down it is R by M. Again 0.08 by 1. 0.08 by 1 is 0.08 only. Now use calculator to find this value. How to find? Look here. 85 into bracket 1.08 power 7, come down, minus 1, close bracket, then into 1.08 divided by 0.08. So 819.11. So the future value is OMR 819.11. Question number 28. A mobile phone has a list price 450 Riyal. If a trade discount series of, see here, 3 numbers, 10%, 7%, 8% is offered, then what is the price after discount? This question is very easy. When you see something like this, it is looking like a tariq, date. No, it is not date. It is discount percent. So look here, the answer is very easy. List price is 450. Trade discount series is 10, 7, 5. Okay, you know what is the last price? 450 you should write. Then you should write 100 minus 10 by 100, 100 minus 7 by 100, 100 minus 5 by 100. 100 minus 10 by 100 is 0.90. This is 0.93, 0.95. Just multiply, you have this number. So the correct answer is 357.818. Question number 29. The present value. So this is another rule. Present value of perpetuity. When this comes, you should remember a rule. Payments. So the payment is OMR 80, made at the end of each month, not in the beginning, made at the end of each month, if the interest is 12% compounded quarterly. So we have so many things here. Compounded quarterly means M is 4, payment is 80, made at the end of each month, and interest is 12%. Okay, look here. This is the simple rule. present value of perpetuity end of month. What is that? PM divided by R by M. What is PM? It's already given 80. Now what is R? R is 12%, means 12 by 100 equal to 0.12. Quarterly, so M is 4. So what is the present value? PM by R by M. What is PM? 80 divided by what is R? 0.12 by 4. So you will use the calculator. 80 divided by bracket 0.12 by 4, close bracket. Answer is 8000 by 3. You will get 2,666.6666. This small bracket means 0.6666. That's why you are correcting it to 67. So 2,666.67. Question number 30. To buy a new car, Mr. Salim borrowed OMR 4,500 from the bank. For how many years? 5 years. If he paid OMR 1,800 as interest, you have to pay interest. If you are taking from the bank, then loan from the bank, then you should pay interest. He paid 1,800 as interest. Then what is the rate of interest? What is the rate? See, look here. P is 4,500. How much he took from the bank? T is how many years? Okay, 5 years. I is 1,800. Okay, now what is I? The rule is PRT by 100. Okay, I is 1,800 equal to what is P? 4,500 into R we don't know. T is 5 years divided by 100. So what is R? 1,800 divided by 5 into 45. So you got 8. So R is 8%. So you should remember this rule. I equal to PRT by 100. Question number 31. If the closing price of Samsung company's share is OMR 90.5 and the PE ratio, price to earning, okay, PE means price to earning ratio is 12, then what is the annual earning per share for the last year? Question is very big, but this is the rule. PE ratio, price to earning ratio, is closing price divided by annual earnings. What is PE ratio? It's already given. PE ratio is 12. Okay, 12. What is the closing price? It is there in the question, 90.5. 90.5 is the closing price. Okay, you want annual earnings. So cross multiply. Annual earning will come up here and 12 will come down. So annual earnings equal to 90.5 divided by 12. Answer is 7.54. So remember, this question is very easy. Just this number divided by this number will give you answer. 90.5 divided by 12. That is the annual earnings. This is another simple question. The question number 32. The closing price of an OMR 1000 Real bond, if it is listed at 86.54. It's very simple. What is the closing price? You want a closing price. Just multiply this number 1000 into 86.54 divided by 100. That's all. Okay, so the given number, the closing price into listed value 86.54. Just multiply and divide by 100. That's all. So 865.4. What is the mean of the numbers? Mean. You should find the arithmetic mean. You have this many numbers given here. What is the mean? Just gamma, total all the numbers, 89 plus 75 plus 68 plus 82 plus 74 plus 79 plus 80 plus 89 plus 71 plus 92. You have how many numbers? 10 numbers. So total gamma, all the numbers divided by 10. That is the mean. So 79.9. The following are the ages of staff working, umr, okay, ages of staff working in a company. What is the mode of the data? Okay, you should find mode. What is mode? Mode is the number that repeats maximum. Which number comes again and again maximum number of times? See, the number is 23. Look here. 23 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So the mode is 23. Which number repeats the other? So 23 is the answer. Now, the rule for finding mid value. Okay, if you want to find the mid value of a class, what is that? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. See, look here. If you have a class is like this. You will write 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30, 40. These are all classes. Classes means groups. Okay, I should find the mid value. Mid value, what is the middle value of 10 and 20? What is the middle value? 10 plus 20 by 2. What is that? 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 2 equal to 15. So that is the rule. They are asking what is the rule. So lower limit means 10. Upper limit means 20. So lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So remember, mid value is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. See here, class is 10, 20 means 10 plus 20 by 2, 30 by 2 equal to 15. If this is the class, then 20 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 50 by 2 equal to 25. So the correct value is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Okay, you have a histogram here. This is the histogram. The below given histogram illustrates the number of students in each department of a college. In IT, how many students? Engineering, how many students? Business and science. How many students are there in engineering and science together? Okay, engineering, how many students? 25. Science, how many students? 30. So 25 plus 30, 55. So engineering is 25, science is 30. Total is 25 plus 30, 55. That's all. This is called a pie chart. Pie chart. Okay, if it is in a circle, this is called pie chart. The colors of cars in a city is given as a pie chart. What percentage of cars are silver color? See, look here. You have 30% white cars, 10% blue cars, red cars 7%, black cars 20%. So how much is silver? Silver is not given. Total is always how much? Percentage means total is always 100. So you have 30, 10, 7, 20. Look here. White 30, blue 10, red 7, black 20. Total is 67. I want silver. Silver is total is what? 100. 100 minus 67, 33. So this is 33. Now question number 38. 2 dice are rolled. What is the probability that the number on the first die is always 3? 2 dice are rolled. Okay, so look here. 2 dice are rolled. Dice means nard. Okay, this is the sample space. Sample space means all the answers. Maybe the number is 1 1 or 1 2 or 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 or up to 6 6. So we have 36 possibilities. Okay, now what is the question? The number on the first nard, the first die should be always 3. That means 3 1 or 3 2 or 3 3 or 3 4 or 3 5 or 3 6. How many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, first die is always 3. Will give you 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. 6 events. So what is the probability? Total is 36. Out of that, how many are good for us? How many are favoring for us? Only 6. So 6 by 36. That means 1 by 6 is the answer. So down it is always 36. And how many are good for us? That means how many are favoring this condition? That is the number here. So 6 by 36, 1 by 6. How many ways a team of 11 football players can be selected from 20 players? When you have selection, this is called combination. Okay, see, we have 20 players. We have to select 11 players. So this is a question of combination. So the answer is 20C11. Okay, so the answer is 20C11. Question number 40. There are 10 different varieties of flowers available. Okay, using them, in how many ways 6 different flowers can be arranged? When you see this word arrange, means it is a question of permutation. Okay, in a flower vase. Look here. Total of 10 variety of flowers. 6 flowers are to be arranged. Arrange means it is called permutation. You will write P here. So you have 10 variety of flowers. You are choosing only 6. So arrangement is permutation, and in the previous question selection, it is called selection, or choosing, it is called combination. So you will write C here. If it is arrangement, then you will write permutation, it is P here, 10 P6. Now if you want to find using calculator, how will you find this? You can see here NPR and NCR. So if you want to find P, first you will write 10, then shift, see you can see here NPR, shift into, you can see the letter P, then 6. This is the answer. If you want to find combination 10, 20, C11, how will you find? First you have to press 20, then you can see NCR here, okay, small NCR. So shift, divide, then 11. This is the answer.